Hey guys, welcome back to the lip declutter and swatch. Lip swatch and declutter, whatever. So today I've got this many left. I would love to get through all of them tonight, but I don't know. We're just gonna try our best. I think I'm gonna leave the Kylie ones till last because I feel like they were like end of the beginning last time. Once I had those Kylie ones on my lips, they were just like, no. We're gonna try and get through as many as we can. So let's just start. I think I'm honestly going to start with my Morphe ones. These are all bullet lipsticks. I'll just quickly swatch them because we're going to get rid of them anyway. God, look at the back of my hand. It's so the first one there is Boo. Get rid of her. Then we have Flirt. That's Flirt. And then the last one, this one's called Bare It All. Like, don't get me wrong, they're pretty, but I just don't need them. That's Bare It All. And I've got this one as well. This one is Wifey. That one. So yeah, I'll be getting rid of all those. Next we have these from Colourpop. These are with the Colourpop and Barbie collab. This one is in the shade Dream House. It's super cute, but it's not for me, unfortunately. It is a really pretty shade, but it just doesn't match me. I am sad to get rid of it because it's obviously like a cute collab, but it's not for me. Honestly, guys, my lips have had it. I feel like my lips are like dry a lot, like anyway, but the last couple of days have just been like, don't talk to me. So, need to give them a big old break after this. I've been like smothering them in like sleeping lip masks and stuff. This is the other Barbie and Colourpop one. This one is in Golden Beach. Yeah, I feel like this one's nice. I'll keep that. I feel like it'll look nice with like a deep lip liner underneath it as well. This is another bullet lipstick from Kylie. This one's in the shade Truffle. This one has little like dots all over it. I don't know. I think it's like sweat beads or whatever they are. It's actually a super pretty shade. I actually really like that. I don't know why I don't wear these more. Like, I feel like I need to be using more of like the lip products that I actually have. I've actually got some really, really pretty shades. This is the MAC lipstick in Spirit. I think I like this one from memory. Yeah. That's really pretty as well. That's another thing. I feel like so many things have changed like within makeup. Like liquid lipsticks used to be all the rage and I used to love liquid lipstick. But these days I understand like why people love bullet lipsticks and things like that. Like, I feel like they look really nice. Like gloss, I used to hate gloss. Now I'm starting to understand the appeal. This is the MAC Retro lipstick in Dance With Me. It's this red shade. If I'm being honest, I really don't want to swatch this one on the lips because I know it's going to be so annoying to get off. That is clumpy. It still smells okay. Oh, I don't know, it's clumpy. Looks like it'd be really pretty. Ugh. I think I'm gonna get rid of it. It was like clumpy, just, yeah, I don't know. Okay, I've got a few more of these Revolution ones. This one is Velvet, and I think this one was like my fave. Yeah, look at it, it's so pretty. That's actually such a pretty shade. I really, really like that. These are from Revolution Pro. My makeup room was literally clean like 2 days ago. It just gets dirty so fast. I literally filmed one video and the place is a tip again. So, what do, you know? Then we have Thirst, which is this purple. This is also from Revolution Pro. It is nice. I think I can get rid of it, to be honest. Like, it's really pretty, don't get me wrong, but I'm also just like, I'm gonna keep it. Lol. Sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I'm actually really terrible. In saying that, I feel like we've done a pretty good job so far of like how much we've actually gotten rid of. So if I have a couple of broken moments, I'm not mad, you know? And then the last one from Revolution Pro is this one called Stripped. Maybe this was my favourite. I don't know. That was definitely not my favourite. This one makes me look dead. Okay, I'll get rid of that. Stripped from Revolution Pro. Oh, I have another Morphe one in here. This is Boy Toy from Morphe. That one down there. So we'll get rid of her. This is the Glam Light and Frosted Flakes. This has got little lumps on it too. Weird. Anyway, this is the Glamlight and Frosted Flakes lipstick. That's not for me. We're gonna get rid of her. This is the Too Faced lipstick in Birthday Suit. I just don't think it's for me either. It's nice, but I'm just gonna get rid of it. It's too close to my lip shade. This is Glamlight and Strawberry Shortcake. There is no world where this is, I'm gonna wear this or it's gonna match me as much as I really want to. But I don't want to get rid of it though because the packaging is so cute. But I'm also like, do I just keep it for like memes? I'm gonna keep it. I might not even put it like in my actual collection. But I just love the packaging. So. And like I won't normally do that, but it's too cute to pass along. I'm sorry. It's okay to have one hot pink, like Barbie shade in your collection, surely. Even if I'll never wear it. I have another one of these Colourpop Just a Tints. This one is in City of Stars. I've actually got two of them, sorry. I won't even bother putting them on my lips because I'm not going to keep them, but I'll swatch them. This one is called Big Time. That's there on that one. And then we have City of Stars, which is that one there. So pass those along. Another Kylie bullet lipstick. This is Amore. Wow, that's super unique. But I kind of like it. I'm never going to wear it. That needs to go. I do kind of like it though. Like if I knew that, yeah, I'm not going to wear it. So we're getting pretty close to the end, guys. We might even make it through. The bullet lipsticks are obviously a lot easier to get off than what the liquid lipsticks are. So these two are from Glamlight and Scooby-Doo. The first one is called Zoinks. That's really pretty. That's real nice, actually. I probably wouldn't wear it like all the time, but it's still nice. This one is called Raro. This looks real pretty. This is my kind of vibe. Yep, I'll have that, thanks. So that's Raro. So I'll keep those two. I love these, a little soft matte touch. I feel like they're really cute. This is another Colourpop lippy stick. This is in Chakra Wave. I think this is nice. I can't really tell. It's quite subtle, isn't it? I feel like with a lip liner on, that would be quite nice. So I'll keep her. Oh my god. Guys, I have lipstick down the side of my face. Oops. Okay. Got a couple more bullet lipsticks and then we're going to go on to the liquid lipsticks. Okay. These are really annoying because they don't have like individual shade names. They're part of the Michaela and Glamlight collection. So this is like the first one. This is a really pretty shade actually. So I'll keep her. But yeah, I don't know. I wish they had like individual shade names, but anyway. Guys, oops, I've just taken like a huge ring of makeup off. This is the next one. And this looks a little bit more like pale. I don't think I'm gonna like this one. Yeah, that's way too light. So I'll get rid of her. I've got another Colourpop lippy stick. This is Galore. Oh, this is cool. Whoops, there's way too much oil on my lips. Hang on. That just like went sliding around my mouth. I don't need it, but there's something about these purples that I love so. Oh my god, guys, this is the Too Faced lipstick in Gingerbread Man, and I'm pretty sure I don't like this shade, but yeah, I will never in my life wear this. But I think this is going to be the same as the Strawberry Shortcake. I can't throw it out because it has little gingerbread all over it. And I'm obsessed with gingerbread men. So he can sit on my shelf, okay? I just can't throw him out. I'm sorry. Oh my god. It just keeps getting worse. Have two Morphe liquid lipsticks here. We have one in Taunt, and I think I actually really used to quite enjoy this shade. That's that one there. So I'll get rid of her. And I'll also get rid of Jealousy, which is the one next to it. Morphe did have really nice lip shades, but we don't need them. This is the BH Cosmetics Liquid Linen in Stephanie. And this one's going in the bin. It's a pretty shade, but it's so old. What one was it? That one. And I've also got another one here. This is Simone, which is also going to go in the bin because it's just so old. But yeah, I did really like this set when I first got it. They're really pretty shades, like really nice and like neutral, but they're so old now. This is the NYX Lip Lingerie in Honeymoon, and I think she's really old too. So I'm going to get rid of her. She's, yeah, ew. She's all oily on the hand. That's gross. She survived many a declutter when she probably needed to go quite a while ago. It's that one. It's just such a pretty shade, but well past the use by date now. This is the Colourpop Luxe Velvet in Buttercup. This is not the shade for me. Get rid of her. Another one from Colourpop in Hermosa. It's another one of those like beautiful purple shades that I don't need, but I will keep. It's very patchy. I think it's a combination of my application, the fact that it's been sitting for a while, and also the fact that my lips are dry as anything right now. But it's still really pretty, so. Another Colourpop one in Air Kiss. Also not for me. I'm going to get rid of her. And my last Colourpop one is Lucky Cat. I don't think that's for me either. Get rid of that one too. We're onto our Kylies, so this is where our lips might break down. This one is so old. This is Cocoa. Okay, this is Ochre. It's so nice, but I'm never going to wear it. I'm going to get rid of her. I'm just not going to wear her. I'm not. As much as I would love. We have Goals. Ew. She's clumpy and she smells bad. So I'm going to throw her out. That's weird though, because like I swear some of them are like older than. Anyway, I'm going to throw that one out. This is Boy Bye. I really loved this shade, so I'm hoping that this one's okay. I feel like she's got lumps in her as well. No, maybe not. So this is Boy Bye. It's a really nice shade, you probably can't tell because of all the stuff around my mouth, but I'm going to keep that one. I feel like I need to do a little fix of the face. I'm looking ridiculous. I really miss when Kylie used to come out with like really cool collections and stuff. Like all of her holiday collections and stuff. I feel like they've really dropped off. I mean, I feel like a lot of the makeup game has dropped off, but yeah. This is Clove. Ooh, that's real pretty. Clove can stay. Clove's real pretty. Love it. Guys, we have 3 more. We are so close. I feel like we've made a solid effort. Solid effort. Next we have Sweater Weather. Not for me. She can go. The last 2 came out in the Christmas collection. I don't know if they were last year or the year before. I can't remember. The first one I have is Dashing, which is like this beautiful red. Ah, oh, that's so heady. These mustn't be mattes. I bet you these are like, oh no, they are. These, it feels like so much softer, the formula. That's Dashing. I've applied it terribly, but I like it. And then we're on to our very last one, thank God, and it's, oh dear, that's so funny. Like, it's spelled O, like the letter O, and then deer is spelled like the animal. And it's funny because it has little like reindeer feet on the cap, because it's like reindeer, like Christmas, you know? And from memory, I really liked this last shade. Let's try her out. It's real pretty. Beautiful. Okay guys, we are done. Thank God. So we're done with lipsticks. We still have lip liners and lip glosses. And then when they're done, we need to go into the main collection and do lip gloss, lip liner, bullet lipstick, and liquid lipstick. So there's still a few more of these videos coming. Let's see how many we kept and how many we decluttered. So we kept 17. As for decluttering, 25. We decluttered 25. So that's great. This is like our declutter. I've already got rid of some, but these are like the declutter like from the last couple of videos. So I feel like we're doing pretty well. Like, I'm honestly pretty impressed. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!